morning, ladies and gentlemen. I am Major General Bhaskar Chakravarti. I am the Director Admissions. On behalf of our Honorable Founder President, the Chancellor and Vice Chancellor, I extend a very warm welcome to all of you to the Amity campus and a special welcome for bringing nice weather. And I take it that you had a good round of the campus, and so let's take the proceedings further. We have amongst us Dr. W. Selvamurthy. He is a distinguished scientist, and he was formerly the CCR&D, that is Chief Controller of Research and Development of DRDO. He is now with us. He is also the Chancellor of Amity University, Chhattisgarh, and he is President of ASTIF, that is Amity Science, Technology and Innovation Foundation, which is the hub of all research and innovation that takes place in Amity. You are aware that Amity has about 800 patents filed, and we have filed more number of patents than all the IITs put together. And so he is the inspiration behind all this research and innovation. So today we couldn't have asked for somebody who is more eminently suitable to make an opening remark today. So kindly put your hands together for Dr. Selvamurthy, and I'll request Dr. Selvamurthy to kindly take the podium, please.
Very good morning to all of you. We are extremely delighted and profoundly happy that we are able to see a congregation of very distinguished parents, grandparents, and the wards who are going to join Amity Universe. So a very hearty welcome to you all from Honorable Founder President Dr. Ashok Chauhan and Dr. Atul Chauhan. He is the Chancellor and also the President of Foundation, RBEF, and also the Vice Chancellor, Dr. Balvinder Shukla, and on my own behalf, and on behalf of all the Amitians, the members of Amity family. So it's a great occasion for us that today we have the opportunity to host you here. And I see among you very brilliant parents who have come to seek the admission for the wards. And some of them are grandparents, I can see. Some of them could be relatives, friends who have accompanied them. But then there is one commonality, that is, all of you are blessed souls. You know, blessed because you are looking for your ward's happiness, your ward's growth, career development. So all these are very, very vital. So you care. One commonality is all of you love the person for whom you have come to seek the admission here. The other one is you are all very wise, because the reason is that some of you had many options to go to IITs, NITs, and also colleges outside, universities, other universities. But then you chose to come to Amity. So I feel you are very, very wise. Because I have been part of the government for 40 years. I was the Chief Controller Research and Development in the Defense Research and Development Organization, in the Ministry of Defense. And I have seen many institutions in India and abroad, including universities, educational institutions, but nothing like Amity. The Amity, I will tell you why in the subsequent a few minutes from now. So all of you are wise. So let us greet each other by clapping to each other. Then the next thing is, you have come for admission over here, that is in Amity University, Uttar Pradesh. But we are all sitting here and we are all looking forward to adopt your children to your wards into our Amity family. So you are here for admission, but we are here for adoption of your family. That means we are just not going to only look into your career growth of your children, but the whole life profile we are going to shape, like what you are doing, you have done as parents and also the grandparents. Now we would also like to share your love and affection which you give to your wards from our side. So we are actually looking for adoption of your children as our children in Amity family. When you say Amity University, where you have come for admission, ये सिर्फ एक अमिटी यूनिवर्सिटी नहीं है, नोएडा में अभी आप हैं इधर, मगर हमारे पास अमिटी यूनिवर्स है, होल यूनिवर्स है. कैसे? इंडिया में अभी 8 यूनिवर्सिटीज़ हैं. एक तो अभी नोएडा में है, दूसरा गुड़गांव में है, और तीसरा है जयपुर, ग्वालियर, बॉम्बे, कलकत्ता, रायपुर. लाइक दिस हमारे पास 8 यूनिवर्सिटी है. आपके पास 8 अमिटी यूनिवर्सिटीज़ हैं. फिर 12 कैंपसेस विदेश में भी हैं, लाइक दुबई, मॉरिशस, सिंगापुर, लंदन, रोमानिया, चाइना, यूएसए अभी 170 एकर्स का लैंड लिया है, उसमें अभी नया यूनिवर्सिटी बना रहे हैं. So you see, and we have 19 schools. We have 19 schools and also 5 preparatory schools. So Amity University, what you are now here, is a big universe. So your ward is going to be a part of this Amity universe rather than Amity University Uttar Pradesh. सिर्फ एक यूनिवर्सिटी का एडमिशन नहीं है, आपका वार्ड्स का एडमिशन है अमिटी यूनिवर्स में, क्योंकि आपका वार्ड्स का मौका मिलेगा स्टडी अब्रॉड प्रोग्राम में लंदन कैंपस, हमारा लंदन कैंपस में जाने के लिए 3 महीने के लिए, और 3 महीने के लिए वो जा सकते हैं वहाँ अमेरिका में हमारा कैंपस में जा सकते हैं, दुबई में जा सकते हैं. सो वी आर, योर वार्ड्स विल हैव एन अपॉर्चुनिटी to also look at other campuses. You want to get a transfer to another place. Suppose you move out to Jaipur. We have a lateral entry to move your wards there. So your wards is going to be a part of Amity universe. So that is another thing I want you to appreciate. It is not just only admission to Amity University Uttar Pradesh, Noida. Then the next thing, एक ऐसा interaction हो रहा था जिसमें एक parent ने मुझे से सवाल पूछा है, Dr. Saab, do you give degree? You know, one of the interactions, suddenly one of the parents in such interaction. I was actually stunned. I was taken aback because university so degree देते हैं. So मैंने उनको कहा था, हम तो डिग्री देते हैं और क्वालिटी डिग्री देते हैं. वो कभी भी दुनिया में कहीं भी जाएंगे, कहीं भी कोने में जाएंगे या बड़े देश में जाएंगे, डेवलप वर्ल्ड में उसका रिकग्निशन होगा. सो अच्छा डिग्री देते हैं. आफ्टर क्वालिफाइंग, शेपिंग अप द लर्निंग गिवन टू द स्टूडेंट्स, देन वी गिव द डिग्री. अबव ऑल वी गिव मैनी मोर थिंग्स. उससे ऊपर हम और कुछ बहुत देते हैं. वो क्या है? देन ही सेड, व्हाट इज दैट? सो वी गिव द होलिस्टिक डेवलपमेंट. फर्स्ट इज फिजिकल, मेंटल, स्पिरिचुअल डेवलपमेंट. एक आदमी सक्सेसफुल होने के लिए ये तीनों ज़रूरत है. उनके पास तंदुरुस्त होना चाहिए, फिजिकल डेवलपमेंट, हेल्थ, गुड हेल्थ. एट माई एज 68, योर वार्ड शुड बी बेटर दैन माई हेल्थ, सो वी केयर फॉर दैट. सो वी गिव देम योगा ट्रेनिंग. देयर इज अ योगा सेंटर. वी हैव जिम. We have Arcadia, if you want, your children want to go and enjoy for some time. We have various playgrounds. We have swimming pool, shooting range. We have basketball, tennis, all that what you want for physical development. And we not only have structures, but we encourage, we have a separate sports science department, which encourages people through our students, the people who take care of the students, that marshals are there, and then they help to motivate the students to go to make use of these physical structures, which will help them to have physical development. Then mental development, which is the next part, is mental development. So we give just not only memorizing, getting CGPA of 9 or 8.9 or 8.8, that is okay, but more important is the learning, whether the person has learned. We give them the ability to solve problems. So our method of pedagogy, delivery of our lectures is not just only classroom. They go to the field visit, they go to industry. The industry people come over here and interact. They go to the villages for the human welfare development. So we have a humanity group which gives orientation to the students. What is our society? It's just not only this affluence. There are people at the bottom of the pyramid we need to care for. So we give such exposure, and so you have also the mental development taking place. We give short projects, we give brainstorming sessions. Like this, when the mental development is not only to get marks, but actually to have the ability to solve problems, which is very important to education. So we give that mental ability. The third is spiritual development, because ultimately we are made of body, mind, spirit. So spiritual development is necessary. So you would see Havans, whenever we, every day is on Havan, not to have any religious attachment, but to give a spiritual awakening. So we take them to villages, we take them through the humanity welfare, for caring for society. So this will tell them how to develop spirituality. And then we teach all the wards, all the students, all our children in our university. They get behavioral science, which is mandatory. All the students, we have 140,000 students, all of them get behavioral science course. That means how to interact with your parents, how to interact with your grandparents, how to interact with your officials when you go for a job, how to interact with your teachers. So this is important, the behavior, which is going to make him successful in life. Because you may have high CGPA, if your EQ, emotional quotient is poor, or spiritual quotient is poor, you will not be successful, you will not be happy in life. So that is why in Amity, we also give that spiritual development component. So we have physical, mental, spiritual development. So parent को मैंने कहा था, हम तो डिग्री देते हैं, उसके ऊपर और कुछ देते हैं, ये सब देते हैं. Then he was convinced. Then he sat down. और ये कहना चाहता हूँ, मैं डिग्री लेने के बाद प्लेसमेंट वेरी वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट. सो बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंस देते हैं हम हमारा यूनिवर्सिटी में. कहाँ पे आपका वार्ड्स पोजीशन होंगे, प्लेस होंगे जॉब में या हायर एजुकेशन में या हायर स्टडीज़ में, हमारा देश के अंदर इंस्टीट्यूशंस में या बाहर जाके, ये सब हम मदद करते हैं. सो प्लेसमेंट इज़ वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट mandate for all of us, all of our faculties. So there are separate mechanisms for placement. Cells are there, CRCs are there. So we have Industry Connect, corporate sectors come over to Amity University to have campus selections. So placement is very important. I will just give an anecdote which happened. Hamara founder president Dr. Ashok K. Chauhan, who has built the whole Amity universe and also giving his life to the nation building. You know, he works 20 hours a day at this time. He works 20 hours a day. So he's sacrificing so much comforts and others to see that our nation grows through education, philanthropy, and we run schools which is totally supported for the weaker sections, completely free education we give. So we give scholarships. If your students are meritorious, you will get scholarship, he will get scholarship, she will get scholarship. So like that we have this, Dr. Chauhan Sahab ne such a philanthropic attitude, supports the deserving, meritorious and needy people. एक दिन फ़ोन आया था रात को 2 बजे, मुझे 3 बजे मेल आता है, 2 बजे फ़ोन आता है, ऐसे ही काम करते हैं. सो एक दिन रात को 2 बजे फ़ोन किया था मुझे डॉक्टर सलमूर्ति, कैसे हैं इस साल का 2016 का प्लेसमेंट कैसा हुआ था? Then I said, sir, it's very good, excellent. It's almost close to 90% placement is over, and other people are going to higher education and others. Then he said, I'm not happy. Why, sir? Then he said, are they placed in the job which they deserve? Because, you should not go to a lower job. Deserve and also desire. These two, what they want, where they want to go to suit their interest, aptitude, attitude. So are they placed in those kind of job? See the concern. What I want to convey through this anecdote is, Amity, all of us right from top management, we are also having a lot of care to see that your ward's future. That is important. Not only that, you just place it and forget about. एक बार Amity में आ गया, lifelong connectivity हो जाता है. Umbilical cord, umbilical cord gets connected. So we have a strong alumni association. So we have more than 150,000 alumni who passed out, who are extremely doing well in jobs, positions, and higher education. It's all very well, not only in India, but abroad. So they are all doing well. So alumni, he or she, who is now your ward, will also join after he graduates or she graduates as post-graduation or doctorate. When you move out, the person becomes an Amityan, lifelong Amityan. So we have kept certain, first is Alumni Association meet, we organize, then we keep corresponding with them. We have a website in which correspondence takes place, and they come here, they interact with our people. So we give a lot of importance, respect, and also love for your wards. Even when they pass out from here, even when they are placed outside, that we also take care of them. So that is Amity. So Alumni Association is very, very strong. So you have come to such a place, and I am now 68. So I pray every day, I pray God every day, like all of you do. So I ask in my prayer, if I have to be born again, I don't want to be born again, but if I have to be born again, I would like to come and study in Amity. So that is the kind of love and affection I have for, and you will have the same thing. Amity is for you. Amity is because of you. Whatever we have shown now, it's all for you, for your wards. Because Founder President Dr. Chauhan has a vision that India should be the global player in education, and for which Amity, through Amity, we are making all our efforts. Our faculty sitting here, they are not paid employees, they are missionaries. They work with that zeal to give something to the society. How do you groom future citizens, global citizens? That is with the spirit with which Amity functions, all our faculties who are highly trained, highly motivated, the leaders in various disciplines who are sitting here, and they are going to groom your wards. And so they work with that zeal to give rather than to get from their job. So they are not paid salaried employees, but they are actually missionaries to give something to the society, something to the humanity. And General Chakravarti, who is coordinating this, he is the director for admissions. And director admissions is very important because he is taking care of all of you to get whatever information you require, whatever clarifications you require, and he is taking care of you properly. And he has worked in armed forces for more than almost 4 decades. And then he has come here, he has commanded thousands of people. And so he is now, with that kind of background, he is here to look after you as well as the wards who are going to join us. And Founder President has sent his blessings, greetings to all of you, love and affection for all of you. And I'm sure you'll have a comfortable stay here. And you will also have a happy, be happy always. In life, what is the point if you are melancholic, moronic, tensed all the time? Life is to be lived. That is the purpose. This is what we teach your wards. This is what we want to tell you. In this interaction also, be happy, relaxed. Your wards will have a wonderful career in Amity. And so be relaxed and ask the questions to the whatever clarification, whatever doubts you may have, and ask in a very happy mood and cool, composed mood, and they will answer, we will answer all your clarification. My best wishes, may God bless you all, and my prayers for your health, happiness, peace, prosperity for you, for your family, for your wards. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your words of wisdom. What I intend doing is, through a short presentation, I'll touch upon few key issues pertaining to Amity, and thereafter we'll take on your questions. This slide captures the dream of our founder president, that is to see India emerge as a knowledge superpower by 2020. And he set about to achieve this based on the 3 pillars of philanthropy, education, and research. For he feels that when God pushes somebody, inspires somebody, leads somebody, no power in the world can stop such a person. Now, Amity offers a notion of opportunity for people of all ages, that is, from the pre-nursery to the postdoctoral stage. We have about 150,000 brilliant students in our group, 6,000 faculty, 8 universities. We have about 1,200 acres of campuses, and we offer about 300 programs, and our faculty have developed 1,800 case studies which are being taught all over the world. There are 300 research projects which are funded by government bodies. We are recognized by the University Grants Commission, and we are part of Association of Indian Universities. All our programs are accredited by respective statutory bodies like the Bar Council of India.